Shakra Storyland.
Hi kids, welcome to our ABC Fun Time with Shakra Storyland. Today we are going to learn all about the letter A. Can you say it with me? A. Let's look at some awesome words that start with the letter A. A is for apple, yummy and crunchy. A is for ant, look at it go. A is for aeroplane, flying in the sky. A is for ambulance, helping people in need. Great job friends, you are doing amazing. A is for apple, A is for ant, A is for aeroplane, flying where you can eat. A, hooray! We love learning every day. See you next time for the letter B. Bye bye.